All right, for those who doesn't know or don't know how the smoke look on the headlights are done, or pretty much anywhere, you gotta make sure clear. This one here, it makes this 41. It says right there. So got your number there, 41. So we're gonna go to number 2, the first 2 where it says 4, number 2. Right there, so add a 2. You gotta open the activator. Put your hole. Once we get the activator, I use slow, and we're gonna go to the second 2, which is where's the 1, which is this one right here. So okay, so that's a mixture there for the clear coat. Now we just gotta put a little bit of black paint, automotive paint. And for that, we're gonna use this. Get it pretty much anywhere. Sure, pre-mix. We're just gonna use a little bit. So let me go ahead and open the can, and I'll be right back. All right. So once you open the can, make sure you shake it. Now you don't want to put a lot in there. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to put a lot. So makes it clear. What I'm gonna use is gonna be the stick. I'm gonna use the stick to mix it to the amount that I want. Doesn't take that much because you're gonna put at least 2 coats. So of course. Now you don't want to make it too dark because then you're not gonna be able to see. So you wanna just put enough. I'm not measuring it, so I don't really know what to tell you. Maybe like a teaspoon. I don't have a teaspoon with me, so I'm just doing it by what I think is right. So I'll say now you don't want to make it too light either because then it'll take too many coats. So I'll say something like this. Alright, so let me go ahead and mix it all the way. Get my gun ready. And I'll be using Devless with a 1.4 tip. I'm gonna say roughly right about 32 psi. I think I'll should need about 2 coats, but if it takes 3, you know. Now, even though my cap has a screen, I would like to filter my stuff. Paint, clear, it doesn't matter. It's always best to string this thing. String. Okay, now there's already a mix. Normally you want to be able to push it out and pull it out to double check, but this is tight. Make sure it's sealed. Put the ring. Make sure it's tight. Here's the gun I'm using. Cheap. Does the job though. Unlock it. Now, here this is that. So, I'll put you right there. Let me get my air, put my mask on. Let's get clean. It's gonna be the first coat. That's the first coat. We'll wait about 15 minutes and then we'll hit it with the second one. So let me go ahead and put you on time lapse. As it is curing. A little dark, not too much.